The moon, our closest cosmic neighbor. We've all seen it shining in the night sky, but how much do we really know about it? In today's video, we're diving deep into 10 lesser-known facts about the moon that will completely change how you see it. From its unique shape and mysterious craters to mind-boggling NASA and ISRO and other space agencies' discoveries, this video will give you an entirely new perspective on the moon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more out-of-this-world space facts every week. Let's explore the moon together. Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ever wonder what secrets lie in the dark, vast sky above us? We've all gazed up at the moon, but today we're diving deeper, way deeper, into its fascinating mysteries. You think you know the moon? Well, think again. In this video, we'll explore 10 lesser-known facts about Earth's moon that'll totally blow your mind. You'll be surprised at what's been hiding right above our heads this whole time. So grab a seat because we're about to embark on a cosmic journey you won't forget. Let's start with something you probably didn't know. The moon isn't a perfect sphere. I know, right? You'd think after billions of years of orbiting Earth, it would have settled into a smooth, perfect ball. But instead, the moon is slightly egg-shaped. It's a phenomenon called lunar oblateness. The far side of the moon is actually more squished than the side we see from Earth. Why? Well, it has to do with its gravitational relationship with Earth, along with tidal forces that have shaped it over time. These forces have caused the moon to be slightly thicker at the equator, giving it a little bit of an elliptical look. Here's a mind-boggling fact for you. The moon is actually moving away from Earth. But before you panic, don't worry, it's happening really slowly, around 3.8 centimeters per year. That's like the width of a pencil. Still, over millions of years, that distance adds up, and eventually the moon could be far enough from Earth that we'd see shorter days, and maybe even a different kind of lunar experience. NASA's precise measurements using laser beams, bounced off retroreflectors left on the moon by the Apollo missions, have proven this fascinating truth. If you've ever looked at the moon, you've probably noticed those dark flat areas. Those are called maria, plural of mare, and they're actually ancient lava plains. These volcanic features were formed around 3 billion years ago, when massive volcanic eruptions flooded parts of the lunar surface with basalt. But here's the kicker. These volcanic eruptions stopped long ago, and the moon hasn't had active volcanoes since. So when you look at the moon, you're staring at fossilized volcanic activity, a snapshot of the moon's fiery past. It's easy to assume that the craters on the moon's surface have been there for eons. But did you know they are actually from different time periods? Some craters are billions of years old, while others are much younger. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has mapped out the varying ages of these craters, showing that the surface of the moon has been constantly shaped and reshaped over time by impacts from meteoroids, comets, and asteroids. And get this, there's a crater on the moon called Tycho, which is one of the youngest major craters, only about 108 million years old, compared to the moon's overall age of around 4.5 billion years. That's not ancient history, it's practically modern in cosmic terms. Let's set the record straight. There's no such thing as the dark side of the moon. It's a bit of a misnomer. The moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning the same side always faces us. But it doesn't mean the other side is dark. It gets sunlight too. It's just that we can't see it from Earth. In fact, this mysterious far side was first photographed by the Soviet Luna 3 mission back in 1959. It took humanity thousands of years to finally glimpse this hidden lunar landscape. And when we did, we saw a surface very different from the one we're used to. A land of mountains, valleys, and far fewer maria. And there you have it. 10 lesser-known facts about the moon that will make you see our lunar neighbor in a whole new light. From moonquakes to ancient lava plains, the moon continues to surprise and fascinate scientists and stargazers alike. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, there's so much more to it than meets the eye. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest space discoveries. And hey, share this video with a friend who's also curious about what's up there in the night sky. Let's keep exploring together, because the universe has so many secrets left to uncover.